Hello, my name is Sean from the Global Life Settlement Exchange. We are the world's first free life settlement auction marketplace. Today I'm going to talk about why selling your life insurance policy might be a better option than letting it lapse or surrendering it. When people buy life insurance, they typically intend to keep it in force for the rest of their lives. However, circumstances can change, and some individuals may find themselves in a position where they need to surrender or let their policy lapse. But before making a hasty decision, it's important to consider another option: selling your life insurance policy through a life settlement. A life settlement is the sale of an existing life insurance policy to a third-party investor for a lump sum cash payment. The buyer then becomes the new owner of the policy and assumes responsibility for paying the premiums until the insured passes away. In exchange, the original policyholder receives a cash payout that is typically greater than the surrender value offered by the insurance company. Here are some reasons why selling your life insurance policy might be a better option than letting it lapse or surrendering it. Get the best value for your insurance policy. One of the main reasons people choose to sell their life insurance policy is to get the best value for it. When you surrender or let your policy lapse, you typically only receive a small portion of the policy's face value, if any at all. On the other hand, selling your policy through a life settlement can often result in a payout that is significantly higher than the surrender value. The amount you receive through a life settlement will depend on a variety of factors, such as your age, health status, and the terms of your policy. But in many cases, the payout can be several times higher than what you would receive through surrendering the policy. Free up cash for immediate financial needs. Another reason to consider a life settlement is if you need cash for immediate financial needs. Perhaps you're facing unexpected medical bills or want to make a large purchase, such as a new car or home. Whatever the reason, selling your life insurance policy can provide you with a lump sum cash payment that you can use to meet your financial needs. No longer have to pay insurance premiums. When you sell your life insurance policy, the new owner becomes responsible for paying the premiums. This means that you no longer have to worry about making regular premium payments, which can be a significant relief for many people. If you're on a fixed income or struggling to make ends meet, not having to pay insurance premiums can free up money in your budget for other essential expenses. Gain control over the use of the funds. When you sell your life insurance policy, you gain control over the use of the funds you receive. Unlike surrendering your policy, which often results in a cash payout that is subject to restrictions or taxes, selling your policy through a life settlement provides you with a lump sum of cash that you can use as you see fit. Whether you want to pay off debt, invest in a new business venture, or take a dream vacation, the money you receive from a life settlement can be used in any way you choose. Protect your loved ones from future financial burdens. If you're considering letting your life insurance policy lapse, it's important to think about the potential financial burdens you may be leaving for your loved ones. Without a life insurance policy, your family may struggle to pay for end-of-life expenses, such as funeral costs or medical bills. By selling your policy through a life settlement, you can ensure that your loved ones are financially protected after you're gone. The new owner of the policy will be responsible for paying the death benefit, which can provide your family with much-needed financial support during a difficult time. Global Life Settlement Exchange, your trusted partner. Consider listing your policy on our free no-obligation auction marketplace so that buyers can compete for the best deal available depending on your particular circumstances. Global Life Settlement Exchange, GLSE, is a marketplace that specializes in life settlements. We have a thorough awareness of the market and assist policyholders in selling their insurance policies for the highest price possible through a transparent auction. The first free life settlement auction marketplace in the world, Global Life Settlement Exchange charges no fees to sellers. The process is simple, and there is zero fee and obligation to the seller. You just need to provide your policy details to us, and that's all you need to do. You will receive the highest offer from the market in a few weeks or so. Unlike traditional brokers, GLSE does not charge a fee for its services. This means sellers keep more of the money from the sale of their policy, which can be a significant sum. Even if you have already hired a broker, a seller like you can still acquire a second opinion. GLSE gives the seller complete control, allowing them to select the best offer without being constrained by middlemen, brokers, obligations, or fees. The traditional process of selling a life insurance policy involves working with brokers who have access to buyers. These buyers determine the value of the policy, leaving sellers with little control. However, with GLSEs, sellers have complete control over the process. They can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, without any obligation or fee. This puts the power in the hands of the seller. Life settlement was predominantly a buyer market, where buyers determine the value of the policy. However, GLSE is shifting the balance of power to the seller. By providing an open and competitive marketplace, GLSE puts the seller in control of the process. The seller can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, ensuring that they receive the best possible value for their policy. In conclusion, Global Life Settlement Exchange is revolutionizing the life settlement market by increasing transparency and putting the power in the hands of the seller. With GLSEs, sellers can receive the highest possible offer for their policy, keep more of their money, and make an informed decision about whether to sell. Our zero-fee platform provides a no-obligation opportunity for sellers to explore their options, and the elimination of middlemen ensures that sellers receive the full value of their policy. GLSE is transforming the life settlement market, providing a fair and competitive platform for sellers to receive the value they deserve.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please hit the like and subscribe button to support us.